Hello everyone, and welcome back to the RENSO'n'sYard. In this episode, we're replacing the generic engine on our plate packer for a much more reliable Honda GX200. First, I remove the 4 bolts that hold the protection cage on the packer. Then I can take it out of the way. Next, I remove the belt guard, then release the tensioner and remove the belt. Following this, I can remove the 4 bolts that attach the engine to its mounting plate. I will need to transfer the clutch and dust cover to the new engine, so this is what I'm doing now. I don't have a puller perfect for this job, but I'm using this bulb joint fork, which is working just fine. The Honda engine that we're using today was previously used for a water pump, so I need to remove what's left of the pump housing. I then cleaned up the mounting surfaces, the keyway, and lubed everything up with some anti-seize. I can then reinstall the mounting plate using some different bolts, as the Honda engine has different threads to the one I removed. I also had to swap over the shaft spacer, as the one that came with the water pump was made out of rubber, and the one for the packer is made of metal. I can now put everything back where it belongs. Tension the belt. And then reinstall the safety cage. This engine had been sitting on a shelf for about 5 years, so I refueled it. Checked the oil. Now I'll prime the fuel system. Let out the air. And I betcha it's going to start on the first pull. Now that is what I call reliability. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.